Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable internet access for a specific software using firewalls. In this way you can take control of your network security and privacy by effectively blocking internet connectivity for a particular application. As you can see, internet is working fine on Microsoft Edge browser. I will disable internet access for Edge browser. Firstly, open Control Panel and find Windows Defender Firewall. Click to open Defender Firewall settings. Now click on Advanced Settings on the left sidebar. In the Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security window, click on Inbound Rules and select New Rule. Choose Program and click Next. Here paste the program file location. You can copy program file location by right-clicking on it, then choose Properties and copy the target file location. Paste the Edge browser target location and click on Next. Choose Block the connection and proceed by clicking Next. Again click on Next. Name the rule and provide a description if desired, then click Finish. Now repeat the same process for outbound rules. Now I will open Edge browser and try to access the internet through it. You should see that the application is unable to connect to the internet. If you need to revert the changes, you can disable or delete the rule you created in the firewall settings. Let's disable the rule. As you can see, Edge browser is now again connected to the internet. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.